Okay, I'm back with the rest of the video. Unfortunately, the YouTube only lets me make 13-minute videos, so if I go over, I have to come back and do a second one. So thank you for your patience. Alright, so here we go. Possessive adjectives. So again, I want to go back to this. These four adjectives are the only ones in our packet that follow this rule where you double the consonant and add an E for the feminine, and then add an S for the masculine plural, add an S for the feminine plural. Okay? These are the only four that we have come across so far. So these are the only four you need to worry about. Okay? So make sure that you make note of those four. Alright. The other irregular ones are the bangs. Okay, the bangs adjectives, they're completely irregular. They have a different masculine before vowel form, masculine plural form, feminine, and feminine plural. So make sure you look over that chart on your bangs notes, those video notes we did. Alright, possessive adjectives. So what are possessive adjectives? What are they? Let's look at these. These are the ones that are my, alright, mon, ma, mes. Your, ton, ta, tes. His or her, son, sa, ses. Our, notre, nos. Your, you all, your. Votre, vos. And their, leur, singular, leur, plural. Okay, the reason there's only two of these is because the notre and the votre and the leur are for masculine and feminine. Okay. So translate these to French. Okay, first let's look down here. What determines whether you use the masculine, feminine, singular, or plural form of the possessive adjective? It is the noun that follows. It is not the subject of the sentence. Okay, it is the noun that comes after, whatever it is you're talking about. If it's my book, you're going to use mon, because book is masculine. If it's my sister, you're going to use ma, because sister is feminine. If it's my pens, you're going to use mes, because pens is plural. Alright, so it depends on the noun that follows the possessive adjective. Alright, so let's look at some of these. His pen, so these are going to be great reviews also for looking at the gender of different words that we haven't seen in a while, okay, back in our school supplies, whether it's masculine or feminine. His pen. So it doesn't matter if it's his or her pen. Pen is un stylo. Alright, and so to say his pen, we're going to look over here. His is son, sa, or ses. And if it's masculine pen, it has to be masculine his. Son stylo. Alright, so for each one of these, I'm just going to write the indefinite article, and then I'm going to change it to the possessive adjective. So this replaces, son replaces un, son replaces le, okay, each time. Otherwise it would say his a pen, or his the pen, and you can't do that. You're going to replace the or a with his, okay, just like in English. Her pencil, so a pencil is un crayon. And we're going to replace it. Her pencil, so her, his and her is son, sa, or ses. It's masculine, so we're going to look again at son. It's going to be the same. Son crayon. So this could be his pencil too, or her pencil. It just depends on the context of the sentence. So if you said, Lucie prend son crayon, it would obviously be Lucy takes her pencil. If it's Jean prend son crayon, alright, then it would be Jean takes his crayon, or his pencil, sorry. Alright, grandparents. Les grands-parents. I'm not going to have room. I'm going to run out of room. Les grands-parents. And so we're going to change it to leur. Is it going to be this leur or that leur? Grandparents, plural, leur, grands-parents. Okay. My cat. Un chat. Alright, and so it's masculine. My cat, mon, ma, or mes. We have to look at the masculine, mon. Mon chat. Your sneakers. Sneakers is les baskets. LES. Sneakers is feminine. But it doesn't even matter for your, because we've got plural, votre or vos. Sneakers is plural, vos baskets. Our posters, un poster. Alright, it's un poster. But here we have plural, and so our is either notre or no. And so here it's plural, so we have to use no. No poster. Here we have your singular shorts. Alright, remember shorts in English we use it as a plural, but in French they only have un short, because you're only wearing one pair. You're not wearing multiple shorts, so you're only wearing one. And so they treat it as a singular noun. It is masculine. And so your singular is going to be ton, ta, or te. And here it's masculine, so we have to use ton. Ton short. It is not tes short. Alright, that is not right. It has to be ton, because shorts are singular in French. Their radio, it's une radio. Okay, une, and so it's feminine. And let's look at their. We have leur or leur, singular or plural, and it is singular here, one radio. And so we just write leur with no S. Your plural, y'all's t-shirt, un t-shirt. Okay, it is masculine, but here we're saying your plural, meaning y'all. It's not plural t-shirts, it's plural your. Alright, y'all's t-shirt. And so votre or vos, t-shirt here is singular, and so you have to use votre. Okay, here my friend, feminine, une amie. Okay, with an E because it's feminine. My friend, we have mon, ma, or me. Now, normally with a girl, you're going to, a girl noun, feminine noun, you're going to use ma. But remember, if we say ma, amie, we have two A's together. So if we write ma, amie, this is wrong. Because we have vowel and vowel. We cannot say ma, amie. Okay, that is not right. They're going to use the masculine form of my, mon, ami. Okay, because then the N and the A are going to sound nice together. Mon ami, instead of ma, ami. They don't like this. No vowels together, and so they're just going to take that masculine form, even though ami is a girl, and they're going to make it nice and linked together. Mon ami. Our calculator, it's une calculatrice. Okay, feminine, but our, we're going to look at nous, notre or no, it is singular, and so we're going to say notre calculatrice. Because it's singular calculatrice. His party. Party is une fête or une boum. Feminine, une fête, une boum. His, son, sa, c'est. And we must use sa because boom is feminine. So we're going to use sa feminine. Her party, it's going to be exactly the same. It doesn't matter if it's his or her party. Context will tell us. But because boom and fête are both feminine, you have to use sa each time. They mean the same. His party, her party. Alright, so it is the noun that follows that determines what you use. It is not the subject of the sentence. So if I said, so sa boum could be la boum de Louis, or her party could be la boum de Louise. Okay, so that's the difference there. You're going to be able to tell from the context. But either way, it's still his party and her party, and because boom is feminine, you both use the same possessive adjective. Alright, it is the noun that follows that determines which one you use. Alright, c'est tout. Allez, school's canceled tomorrow, so we'll see you on Wednesday.